skills. By improving our knife skills, we can be faster and more efficient chefs. When you cut with a chef's knife, one hand, the thumb and the index finger, should be on the blade, holding the blade. This helps put more weight in the front of the blade and gives you a little more power. I never hold my knife like that, but that's the way you're supposed to hold it. And the other hand, the helping hand, the fingers should be curled under and holding whatever it is you're cutting to avoid cutting your fingers. Alright, this is a chef's knife. It's an all-purpose blade used for chopping, slicing, and dicing. It's broad and tapered, and it has a sharp tip and a chunky handle. It's better and more efficient with smaller knives because it can do more faster. A serrated knife has a scalloped blade edge or teeth, and that can be used to cut food that is firm on the outside and soft on the inside, like pineapples, as well as things like tomatoes and bread. A utility knife is a small all-purpose kitchen knife with a blade that's 3 or 4 inches long. It's used a lot by home cooks. Many home cooks have a lot of these knives, and it's good for cutting soft ingredients like peaches. So by improving our knife skills, we can be better cooks, make things go faster and easier. So here's some of the terms you'll see in recipes for how to slice food, how to chop food. Chop is just a small, irregular, to cut into small or irregular pieces. Dice is the same, but to cut into small, uniform cubes. That makes for more even cooking. Mince is to cut into very small pieces. That's ideal for aromatics like garlic or ginger. This is to cut much thin pieces. To julienne is to cut food, usually veggies or herbs, into small strips. These are also called matchsticks. To chiffonade is to slice or shred leafy vegetables or herbs into ribbons. If you have basil, you can stack it in a pile and roll it up and then slice it. Alright, this is my source. And now let's jump into the Quizlet.
Yes, 66801.
It's a one.
Yes, we are in.
Hello.
Yeah.
You're in, and I'm sorry, let me get started.
Yeah.
Okay, start game. Thank you. Okay, frogs and tigers. Uh-oh. Oh no, tigers, what happened? Frogs are winning. Uh-oh. Tigers, frogs, let's go. Tigers, you're almost there. Uh-oh. I think it's going to be the Tigers, but I don't know. There's one more question. Oh, congratulations on your home up. Very nicely done.
I made a mistake.
One mistake. Yeah, one mistake. Yeah. Thank you.